We're making Kung Pao Pao chicken. Let's go. Did you know that Kung Pao chicken is originally from China and is very popular in the Western world, especially the United States? I actually found this really easy to make. I diced chicken, cut up a little bit of onion and sliced chili, and then the rest of the ingredients you just throw it in. So I think that you will find it easy too. By the way, hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please feel free to take a look around, and if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new recipe. A little about this recipe: I have reduced the vegetables right down. We've got a few onions and a few chilies, but it does have a lot of peanuts in it and possibly peanut butter if you decide to use that. So if you have a nut allergy, please leave those out, and you can always add more vegetables if you like. You can serve this dish with bok choy or spinach leaves for a warm salad, or of course cauliflower rice. And if you don't like cauliflower, you can use my keto orzo recipe for rice. Just click on this link now. And here's how we made Kung Pao 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 chicken.
Nata.
Cut 800 grams of chicken into bite-sized pieces. You can use thighs or breast, and it would need to be skinless. It equates to about 1 3/4 pounds of chicken. Next, finely dice 50 grams or 1/3 of a cup of onion and set that aside. I'm using 3 red chili peppers for this dish. I de-seeded them and cut them into 4s lengthways. Over medium heat, melt 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, then add the chicken to the pan and saute that until the meat turns white, turning the pieces over occasionally, and mine took about 8 minutes. Then remove that from the pan and get rid of the excess water. We don't need it. We're going to add our own flavors. Over medium heat again, add another tablespoon of coconut oil, and when that's heated through, add the diced onion and 1 tablespoon of garlic granules and stir. If you want to add heat, you would do that now by adding chili powder or chili flakes. Next, add 1 cup of peanuts and the fresh chili peppers and give it a stir. Then add 1/3 of a cup of coconut aminos or low-carb soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a 1/2 teaspoon of sweetener, and 1/3 a cup of water. Give it a good stir to combine all the ingredients, then add the chicken back into the pan and try to cover the chicken in the sauce. Then close the pan and let it simmer on medium to low heat for 10 minutes. Give it a taste now and check if you want to have a thicker sauce. And if you do, you can add 2 tablespoons of all-natural peanut butter. Finally, garnish with thinly sliced spring onion, or you can use spinach leaves. So there you have it, another meal option for you. I really hope you get to try it, and if you do, please let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.